Alright guys, what I got here is a 96 Eclipse GST, the 4G63 turbo with stock. It's bone stock, I mean not even exhaust at all. I'm thinking I got a lifter tick, not sure. I mean, as you can tell in the video, it gets loud, a little louder. It gets a little louder and then goes away. I'm assuming it's a lifter tick, but I mean, I'm looking for comments to see what anybody else thinks. Like I said, it comes and goes. Usually when the car warms up, it goes away. But just doing a quick video to see if I can get some input on it. Just comment and let me know if you think that's a lifter tick or anything else. Alright.